What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to attempt to fix this rattling clutch problem and document it, so maybe it helps one of you guys out in the future. If you haven't been watching my channel and don't know what's going on, my clutch lever is rattling really badly, so I suspect that it is the anti-rattle spring. I'm going to attempt to fix this problem right here, right now. The first thing I'm going to do is take off the fairing and maybe the mirror and the hand guard. As you can see, there's a lot of play here that shouldn't be here. All right, the next move is going to be getting this C-clip off the pivot pin here, which is a real pain in the ass. So yeah, take that off. Loosening the clutch cable. So I've taken the bracket off here and I'm going to press the adjustable button here so that it loosens the clutch.
See the difference?
Yep.
There's your problem. See how that has more of an arch? This has been flattened out. That's why. So let me see your hand. Drop that in mine. No, drop the other piece. You go. You go.
Tim had to come to the rescue because I couldn't figure out how to loosen this up, but apparently you can just take a flathead and pop it out like that and it loosens the clutch up and gives you enough room to take the lever off.
Now doing this, you normally wouldn't use a flathead screwdriver, you'd use a socket.
Daniel.
Is that your bike?
Yeah.
How you got your bike inside working on it? Oh, you're doing videos.
Yeah. The lever, clutch lever's been rattling. So,
stock or aftermarket?
Not stock. It's just like worn down. There's an anti-rattle spring in there.
That should still be under warranty. Hey, I sold you this bike. You tell us under warranty.
You did, yeah, that's right. Have you met Tim?
I was here one night when Tim was in a Santa Claus suit.
Okay.
The black spray looks good, man, bro. What'd you do now?
Oh,
The
that engine brightener? Yeah, the engine brightener really gives it that like shiny kind of. You don't want to get too. I've kind of put too much on it almost.
It'll dry off.
But yeah, it gives it a little bit of shine. So, but yeah, that lever's been rattling, so I just figured I'd give it a quick little fix. It's good to see you though.
Good to see you, man.
See that? See how much space you have? Your clutch is now adjusted.
Woo!
If you want a full clutch adjustment, you have to do it at the hub. That is just a self-adjusted cable. But you've got to get the retaining clip back on. Do you have it?
That's going to be the fun part, is getting the retaining clip back underneath there. So that was it, guys. That was why it was rattling. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but at the top of it, you can see it's worn down, and that was causing the clutch lever to rattle. So basically now I'm going to put everything back as it was and we should be good to go. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. The bike is all wrapped up. No more rattling lever. I can already tell that there's a huge difference. It wasn't too daunting of a task, and I hope that documenting this will help somebody in the future show how to solve this problem. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and give me some feedback. I appreciate the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ride fast, take chances. Later.